Hi everyone! Today we will be making Bolognese sauce, a non-diet version with honey and wine. So let's get it started. We are setting the heat to medium-high and adding the oil. We are adding the minced meat to the pan. If by any chance your meat sticks to the pan, don't worry. Just add a little oil, as later the wine will remove everything from the bottom of the pan. We will fry the meat until it's brown, 3 to 4 minutes approximately, with constant stirring. Devote all your attention to the meat and keep hitting and poking it in order to break it down to the smallest pieces. Transfer all your negative energy to the meat if you have any. After all, we're making this for our loved ones and we should be smiling. Once the meat is brown, add finely chopped onions and carrots and sliced mushrooms. Mix it well and leave it simmering in order to remove the water from the vegetables. Add a minute of your undivided attention every 2 minutes, at least 3 times. Or until the vegetables release all the water and until the water evaporates. We will now add salt and pepper so that the vegetables and the meat lose all the water and build flavor. Cuddle the sauce for around 2 minutes by gently poking and stirring it. Once all the liquid evaporates, we will add a glass of red wine, turn the heat to the max, and continue to cuddle the sauce. We will need a few minutes in order to reduce the wine and for the alcohol to evaporate. We will use this opportunity to add the Worcester sauce, which will elevate the sauce to a new level, and we will of course continue to cuddle the sauce for a few minutes. Our goal is not to evaporate all the liquid, we only need to evaporate the alcohol from the wine. Once it is done, we will add the tomato paste. The tomato will, with all of our attention, gather all the liquid from the pan and make the sauce, which is now only missing honey. Once the liquid is gone, we will add the honey. The honey will lose its medicinal properties, but will make the sauce sweet and thick. We will continue to cuddle the sauce, and it will slowly start to look as good as it tastes. This is the time to test the sauce and correct if needed. Mine turned out great, so I will not add anything else. Cuddle the sauce for a bit, as every second builds flavor. And that's it! We will turn the heat off to prevent starting a fire, and the sauce is done. Sauce is great with all pastas, although I will make a pie. It is great in a pie. Like, share and subscribe if you want, but be sure to prove your love to the people you love daily. Bon appetit!